Hi, I'm the Grow Boss. I write the Grow Book and Equipment Guide, and in this series of videos, we're going to go over the HM660 Grow Pro Series LED. What I consider to be the best LED ever.com, which is also where you can go if you want a deal on the best LED ever.com. Not only does it have a super large footprint, it's dimmable, and if you get a deal from my website, super inexpensive. This is enough light to grow a pound or so in a 4x4 or a pound and a quarter, pound and a half in a 5x5. That's 100%. It's also dimmable. BestLEDever.com, the Grow Pros HM660, perfect for a 4x4 or a 5x5. If you want, you could get a veg and a flower, do a 2-light rotation. We'll get into that more in the HM660 series of videos. Stay with me.